The cyber kill chain is a model that outlines the sequence of steps taken by a malicious actor from reconnaissance through the attack stage. In this segment, we will review the model along with the tactics, techniques, and procedures used by malicious actors during each phase. I am here at Lockheed Martin, where we can learn more about the cyber kill chain. Let's start by talking about a particularly dangerous threat called an advanced persistent threat. This threat occurs when a malicious actor gains access to a network and remains undetected for weeks, months, and even years. Lockheed developed the cyber kill chain with the idea that if we identify threats early enough, this will reduce the possibility of an advanced persistent threat. Down below, we see the image of cyber filtering. Here we can see the 7 steps of the cyber kill chain. Each step is related to some type of threat that can exist either inside or outside of the organization. In each step, there are tactics, techniques, and procedures. These methods are approaches used by the attackers at each stage of the kill chain. Let's go into each step with more detail. Step 1 is reconnaissance. This is all about information gathering. The malicious actor is researching security vulnerabilities on your systems and they are looking around to see the data stores. Meaning, what data do you have? Where is the data located? Who can access the data? Can I go anywhere else, for example, up or down the supply chain? And what can I gather? Some of the things I want may include email addresses and other information about the network, such as where are the DNS servers and where are the particularly address located. Step 2 is weaponizations. Now, after reconnaissance is complete, the malicious actors are aware of the weak thoughts in the organizations. The malicious actors then devise a plan to get inside the network, such as using a polymorphic malware that cripples into a network or installs a backdoor on the systems. Step 3 is delivery of the malware. Once the malicious actor know how they will disrupt the network, the next step is to crack the plan. To deliver the attack using methods such as phishing, email designed to get victim to click on the link, redirecting them to a web page or using a software update. Step 4 is exploitations. Now that the payload is not that malicious, actors set up to make their move by exploiting a vulnerability. They could exploit the following machine inputs, validations, lack of sufficient logging, not closing the database connection, or using obsolete or duplicate methods. Step 5 is installation. The malicious actor then installs the malware. During this phase, the attacker may create a backdoor or install a rootkit to ensure that they can regain the access to the system anytime they want. In addition, the attacker may remain or attempt to obtain higher level privileges to gain access to more sensitive data. To control critical system functions are the main procedures. Step 6 is the command and control. The malicious actor has gained access to the systems. The command and control server will then issue instructions. Step 5 are the actions on the objective. At this point, the malicious actor will achieve the ultimate goal that could include data theft or modifications, or encrypting the data and holding the data hostage. The cyber kill chain is a model that helps us understand some of the methods that could be used by malicious actors.